Stay on with me. We are getting breaking news coming in. Luthra brothers are facing serious charges which could include up to 10 years in jail. Remember, the Luthra brothers are facing the FIR, which includes Section 105 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, which includes up to 10 years jail and a fine for the act done with the knowledge that this act is likely to cause death or cause bodily injury. Now, we're also expecting that the Goa police would add more stringent charges to the allegations against the Luthras and the managers who are managing this particular nightclub. For now, of course, viewers, the FIR is limited to Section 105 of the Section 105 and other Section 125 as well as 287 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which in Section 125, remember, is a rash or negligent act endangering human life and safety. Section 286 is a negligent act using fire, both of which are not so serious charges. The maximum punishment for these is 6 months in jail. It is only Section 105, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder, that allows for up to 10 years in jail. But this is going to be very difficult for the Goa police to prove, because culpable homicide charge requires proof that the person who committed this particular act actually knew that it could cause that kind of threat to safety and threat to life. But clearly, viewers, the Goa police has added this section in the FIR. The allegation very clearly in the FIR is that the management, knowing that they do not have fire safety equipment, that knowing that they are not following fire safety norms, without taking proper care and caution, organized a fire show. That is what the FIR says, viewers. They organized this fire show with the full knowledge that organizing such show may lead to serious fire incidents. It could lead to a serious accident which could cause death of customers and staff. That is what the FIR says against the management and the owners of Birch by Romeo Lane. So clearly, the Goa police is taking this incident very, very, very seriously, and the Luthra brothers, who've now been brought back to India, are facing this very FIR. Now, the question is going to be, will the Goa police be able to prove these charges? Because culpable homicide charges have been in the FIR since the beginning. The FIR that was filed by the Goa police on the 6th of December, on Saturday, right after the information was received at the police station about this particular fire. The incident happened on the 6th of December. The information was received in the morning on the 7th of December at the Anjuna police station. The FIR was registered at the Anjuna police station, and the FIR is including charges of culpable homicide, of rash and negligent act, and a rash act using fire. The maximum punishment, of course, under culpable homicide not amounting to murder charges would be about 10 years in jail, because the Goa police FIR clearly says that the owners, partners, manager, event organizer and other managing staff of Birch by Romeo Lane, Arpara, without taking proper care and caution, without providing fire safety equipment, without providing safety gadgets, organized the fire show at the club, which resulted into a serious fire, causing the death of 25 people. In fact, the police has clearly in the FIR said, with the full knowledge that organizing such show may lead to serious fire incidents which may cause death of customers and staff, this restaurant did not have emergency exit door on the ground floor or the deck floor to evacuate in case of emergency. It was operating without obtaining permissions or licenses from the competent authorities. So the Goa police clearly saying that the owners and management knew very well what the risk of operating this kind of a nightclub was. They knew very well that they did not have the equipment, they did not have the NOCs, and despite all of that, they organized the fire show. And what we're picking up from our sources in Goa is that they may add more charges against the owners and the management of Birch Pie Romeo Lane as the investigation continues in Goa. Luthra brothers have now been brought back to India to face the legal system. The Goa police will be taking them into custody. And we are seeing the kind of allegations against the owners and managers of this particular nightclub. Remember, 25 people lost their lives in that fire. There was a fire show organized in that particular nightclub in the middle of the night, as more than 100 people were inside this nightclub.